Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Mount a fast lens f/1, 8 f/2, 8, and place your subject several feet from the background. Once done, set your camera to aperture priority or manual so you control depth of field. You want a large aperture, so the background blurs while the subject stays sharp. Make sure to focus on the subject's nearest eye or key detail. Start framing close and keep distance between subject and background to amplify the circular blur of highlights. Now refine focus and spacing. Move physically closer to your subject to shrink the depth of field and simultaneously increase the gap to the background to deepen the blur. Once you've done that, switch to single-point autofocus and lock on the subject's eye. This ensures the important area is tack sharp. If necessary, switch to manual focus and nudge slightly for critical sharpness. Also, watch shutter speed as you widen aperture. Raise ISO or use a tripod if needed to avoid blur. Finish by adding elements that create visible blur. Distant string lights, reflections, or light gaps produce round bokeh highlights. Keep the aperture wide open and choose a background with smooth, non-busy textures to avoid distracting shapes. Once done, take several test shots and adjust focal length longer if you want larger blur circles. If you get weak bokeh, open the aperture further, move the subject away from the background, or step back and use a longer focal length. That one troubleshooting tweak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.